We will now do a demonstration of our new 12-volt electric lifting crane. It is mounted into a double axle drop sides builder's trailer. This electric crane is very useful for planter people, landscapers, builders, farmers, etc. for lifting heavy goods. This electric crane comes with a remote control and a 5-meter long cable attached with a manual switch. This is the remote control. It's always very important to prop, as we've done here, with logs at each corner to stabilize the trailer before lifting. That's if you don't have jack legs fitted. This trailer is very useful, fitted in pickups, small lorries and trailers. Now do a short demonstration. And now we'll demonstrate using the 5-meter cable with the manual hill switch unit. This crane can slew from left to right in this instance, and it can slew all around if needed. There is a handle on the side for stopping the crane from slewing or rotating when not in use.